Hi, I'm John McDermott. I'm the Vice President of Sales with the KARNAK Corporation, and we wanted to spotlight a product here today, our brand new 671 Karna-Seal. This is 100% silicone sealant repair mastic. Over the last 10 years, last decade, there's been between 6 and 10 million gallons of silicone coatings used in the United States. And there's become quite a need for repairing. Any roof that ages is going to need repairs, and so we really had to develop a better repair mastic, because nothing will stick to silicone except silicone. So we developed this specifically for that purpose, and it's also very good for a lot of other purposes. I want to show you here, this is an existing silicone coated roof. We get excellent adhesion immediately. We like to see the cohesion. That's what I'm showing there. And then I wanted to show you here, this is after it's cured for just a day. We've had somewhere between 20 and 25 pounds of adhesive strength. And that's just cured for one day. The other real nice benefit about this product, you can also use it in an emergency situation underwater. I'll show you over here in this pan of water. This is just a granulated cap sheet, and you can stick it not only on damp surfaces, but underwater. And again, we want to see the cohesion there. We want to make sure it doesn't come off clean. See that? Perfect. Stuck to the surface, stuck to the trowel, and you can make that repair underwater, solve the problem now. So that's 671 Karna-Seal, another great innovation by the KARNAK Corporation.